There are a lot of times when you want to add an effect on all of the footages. You can do this by the adjustment layer. I said in the past too that when a file goes into the second, third, or higher layers, they will be prioritized to their own layer, to their own lower tracks. You can come on this button and select adjustment layer to choose a layer. At first, it needs the settings which are default. I click on OK and you can see an adjustment layer created with a pink label. I just need to drag and drop this layer into the timeline and make it as long as my clips. Whatever effects I add to this adjustment layer, it will be added to all its lower layers. Like, I have this house where I want to add some video effects on. There is another way too, and that is the nest. You will get to know about it in the future. I want to use, for instance, tint and black and white, and would want the black and white to be on the top so that my photo will first be black and white and then colorful. I want my light colors to be this much and my dark colors to be like this. Because I have made these changes on the adjustment layer, all of the other layers have had the same changes. You can watch the other secrets of Premiere Pro in our training course in LearnK and Udemy websites. You can see that exactly the same effect is added to all my clips, and this is one of the features of adjustment layer. I also want to have a blur effect like a Gaussian blur, and this effect must reach 0 here and at this point 100, which is the highest, and blurred again at this point and at this point 0. Let's watch it together. I have added some keyframes to the adjustment layer too. I could simply add some effects to the adjustment layer. I also can break the layers into pieces and add an effect to a layer individually. Like, I want this clip to have a different tint. I just need to break that adjustment layer and add a different effect to this adjustment layer. And I want its tint to be greenish, and you can see that adjustment layer took a new shape. You can also add some adjustment layers on each other, like here. I open another adjustment layer and drag and drop it here and minimize this a little bit, and would like to add another effect in this area, like a noise effect. I just need to drag and drop it. You can see that when I play it, this adjustment layer is added to the previous layers too, and that's how you can work with adjustment layers and add your effects in the adjustment layer. You can use markers too. Hit the link above to watch the montage with top and tail video. The other approach here is nesting. I can select all these files, right-click and select Nest to consolidate them. It's asking me a name, and this default name is okay. You can see that all those files are connected to each other in a new sequence and clip. Here I can add all the effects I want to this nest, like the tint effect, and select this kind of black, and you can see that this is added to all my clips, and you can use Nest to connect your files. Thank you for watching this video. You can click on the link below to subscribe to our channel, where we have plenty of more videos for you.